I'm gonna combine orange, mango, and cinnamon all together to see whether or not this is gonna turn out good. Happy December! Another day is... we're here. Sorry, let me start that again. Happy December! We are here for another day of small business Vlogmas, 31 days of Quench behind the scenes, and today is going to be really interesting because there's a lot to do. There's tons and tons and tons to do. We have a lot of orders that we need to fulfill. I need to make soap, I need to make lip balms, I need to make bath bombs. It's just jam-packed. The good news is that giant wholesale order out the door, we are done with it. Oh my god, that is a huge weight off of our shoulders, so we're super excited about that. That was actually our biggest wholesale order ever, so that is such a huge milestone for us, and we're just so happy that we have been able to grow our business to the point where we can fulfill an order like that and still be okay, and also still have the supplies and ingredients and the means to still fulfill retail orders. Now if we continue to grow, that might not be the case. We might have to hire people. So that'll be interesting to see how our business is at this point next year, how much bigger it will be. Maybe we'll have a few employees, I don't know, but I always like to look forward to what's coming and what's next. That's Kale in the background. He is emailing a customer. We've had quite a few local orders, and what we do with local orders is we offer free local pickup, and so once the order is ready, we contact the customer and let them know that it's ready, and then they can come pick it up from our porch. We have like a closed sunroom. Today it's really great that we have that because we got a huge dump of snow, like huge. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh my gosh, it's like a couple of feet, I think. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like, wow, it's a lot of snow. Maybe I can show it better from the other door. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. And this is the sunroom that I'm talking about that people can go pick up their packages from. Yeah, we got a huge dump of snow last night and it's still snowing. So we are gonna be buried under snow by the end of the day. It's so great that we work from home so that we don't have to brave the roads. Thankful for that, but we also forgot to get groceries, so you have to go out and get those too. Busy day. Let's bring you guys along so you can see exactly what our business gets up to. So yeah, that was a really long intro. Okay, bye guys. Now, if you've been following me a long time, you know, if you have been watching my videos for a couple months now, you would know that I'm trying to experiment with different lip balm flavors, and one of those flavors, I combined strawberry and banana. So I'm combining lip balm flavors to offer kind of unique flavorings to stand out from my competition a little bit. And one of the ideas that I had was combining flavors and then just naming them after geographic places close to where we live so that people have an emotional connection to these products. So this was our strawberry banana flavor, and we decided to call it Victoria Harbor Sunrise. We live just down the road from Victoria Harbor, which is a gorgeous small town. We actually vend there in the summertime on Fridays, but we have this new lip balm. It's called Victoria Harbor Sunrise. It's flavored with strawberry and banana. I love it, but I think I needed to add a little bit more banana because I taste mostly strawberry in this one. So this one needs a little bit of tweaking. Still good, but the next time I make these, I'm just gonna add a little bit more banana. And for those curious, I design all of our labels in-house on Photoshop, and I get all of my labels from online labels. So this is a table that we have set up over here for our packages that we need to drop off to the post office today, and yeah, it's a lot. I think we dispatched might have been 15 yesterday. So yeah, all of that needs to go to the post office today. And then over here in this room, which used to be our living room, but is now our fulfillment center, we have these two piles of boxes here. We're actually thinking about buying more because you want to get into the habit of buying things before you need them. And that has definitely saved us a lot of stress and worry. So yeah, this is getting a little bit low for us. We're probably gonna buy some more of those. So today's lip balm is really interesting. I don't think I've seen this combo anywhere before, but I'm gonna try it and see if it works out. I'm gonna combine orange, mango, and cinnamon all together to see whether or not this is gonna turn out good. And I love experimenting. I like all of those flavors individually. I don't know how they're gonna be combined all together. I think it's gonna be delicious. We'll see, but I've been really loving the unique flavor combinations. Really, it's all about experimentation, and everybody has an orange lip balm, a mango lip balm, even a cinnamon lip balm. Does anyone have an orange, mango, cinnamon lip balm? Not that I've seen. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be making today. And also we need more peaches and cream lip balms. So I'm also gonna be making that. And then once that's melting down, I'm gonna get a batch of bath bombs going. I need to make more French lavender and more candy cane. You guys have been really loving the candy cane bath bombs, so I've been constantly making them. I'm really bright, I'm sorry. It's like super bright outside and there you go, that's better. I've been making a lot of candy cane bath bombs. They sell super well in person and also online. I'm really glad I made that. I think for next year, I'm definitely gonna have to make more Christmas themed stuff because I feel like I didn't have very many this year. Gonna work on that for next year. But yeah, busy day. So here is the blend that I'm doing for my new lip balm flavor. I'm using a little bit of orange essential oil. I'm blending that with some Mango Madness that I got from Windy Point and a little bit of cinnamon leaf. And so far from how it smells amazing. So super excited to see how that all comes together. A little note about orange essential oils or even citrus essential oils in general. When they're applied to your skin, it does increase photosensitivity, which means that when exposed to the sun, it may increase chances of sunburn. So be very, very careful with using citrus essential oils in your skincare products. Just a little bit of a FYI. So I just poured the lip balms. They're in the freezer right now getting hard. And I have pressed all of these bath bombs. And like I mentioned before, I'm making more peppermint candy, or sorry, candy cane bath bombs. And these will be sprinkled with gold mica once they're dry. And then these are my super popular French lavender bath bombs. Had to make more of those. And yeah, it's been making bath bombs every single day for the past couple of weeks. Making these bath bombs over and over again have really helped strengthen my skills, and I'm really glad I got better at doing them. Look how smooth these bath bombs are. That is amazing. That is the work of a lot of practice. As you can see, it's now nighttime. We've worked literally hours today. Are you sure you guys want to do this as a business? But yeah, this is the reality. It's constant working. I don't know, maybe next Christmas we'll have a little bit more help. We'll see. But I ended the night by making soap, and the two soaps that I made today are personal favorites of Kale and mine, and that's our water orchid and grapefruit soap. And this is kind of a sentimental loaf because it's the last loaf of water orchid soap that we're making. It's been on the endangered list for a while. It sells steadily, but it doesn't sell fast enough, and it's too similar to our other soap that we have, our signature soap, our Georgian Bay. Both are very fresh and water themed, and as awesome as the scent is, it's just, yeah, I need to start being more selective and culling my scents, and that is one of them, sadly. So yeah, as a business owner, if you have a lot of scents, then it's something you got to think about too, because really it's so much easier on your business if you have fewer scents and maybe release a special one seasonally or as a limited edition. Also helps to keep your costs down too. But yeah, this was today's Vlogmas. As you can see, I'm a bit of a mess, and it'll be much the same tomorrow. A lot of hard work, a lot of orders that are constantly coming in, so we gotta put our heads down and get those orders out. And I hope you guys have been enjoying this kind of content. I know for us, with how busy we are, this is the type of content that I can get out faster, as opposed to a sit down talk through video where I or even a making of soap video. So I hope you guys like it, because that's the kind of stuff I'll be posting for Vlogmas. I am gonna try to do it every day. We'll see if that actually pans out. I don't know yet. But it's all an experiment. We'll see how it goes. If you have any questions about what we saw today, don't forget to leave a comment so that anyone else watching the video who might have the same questions as you can get the answer. I try to answer as many questions as I can. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And all of you other subscribers who have already subscribed, thanks again from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me that you guys are so excited about my journey and are so excited about your own journeys, and that we're just all growing together. So with that being said, thanks again for watching. Keep hustling, keep growing, and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one. Good night, guys.